Hello my crafty friends, how are you guys all doing today? Well, I have something for you. How many times have you tried to unroll a piece of washi tape and you end up losing 4 or 5 inches, or you're trying to find the edge and you're going like this and trying to peel off so you can find it? First of all, so you can find it, you run your nails to it and then you pull it. So it doesn't matter what size you have. It doesn't matter what size you have. This is the trick I have for you. You got leftover pieces of paper. It can be glitter, designer paper, little strips that you normally would throw away, acetate that comes with stamps when you buy stamps that are stuck to it, and whatever. You have usually sheet in the front, sheet in the back, especially the polymer ones I'm talking about. And sometimes they're scratched and whatnot. You can't use it to put on a card or anything like that because you'll see right through the scratch. Keep it. Keep it, keep it, keep it. Look what you can do with this. If you have acetate, perfect. Just take it, cut it in a strip, peel off a piece of your tape like this, and add it on. And you now have a tip on your washi tape. And when you're ready to use it, just peel it off. Use your washi tape. When you're done, take it, just add it on again, and you have yourself a tip. Now, you're wondering, well, glitter doesn't necessarily work. Well, have I got news for you. Let's open this one. Like this. We're going to peel it open. I normally put the glitter side on the back, and I have myself a tab. So when I pull it, I don't have to fight for the edge, just like Scotch tape. You have a little piece, don't worry about it. You have yourself leftover designer paper, cardstock, same thing. Cut yourself a little piece, add to the end, and voila, you have yourself a whole bunch of washi tape that'll go exactly at the same place you had it stored the first place. It'll fit there and you don't have to fight for it. I have done many of them, pulling them out, and then the paper would rip in the middle and it was chaos. With this system, I don't lose any tape. I hope this has been helpful for you. I think it's a wonderful tip, and I hope you will use it, or at least try it, and make your life easier. Have yourself a very crafty day, my friends, and we will see you soon with more tips.